Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best gym bag with shoe compartment sports duffel on the market right now. The brozoza travel duffel bag for men. Designed for versatility, built for endurance, and priced to impress, this 65-liter multifunctional bag is a game-changer for gym-goers, travelers, and weekend warriors alike. Let's start with its standout feature, the massive 65-liter capacity. Whether you're packing for a 5-day trip or just hauling your workout gear, this bag has the space to handle it. Clothes, towels, gear, accessories, no problem. And when it's not in use, it folds down compactly, making it easy to store. Now, the shoe compartment. This is where brozoza sets itself apart. It's a dedicated, ventilated section, spacious enough to hold even a pair of size 13 basketball shoes. What makes it special is the separation from the main compartment, which keeps odors and dirt isolated while still maintaining airflow through built-in vent holes. As we move around the bag, you'll find a large main opening for easy access, an inner mesh pocket to organize small items, a sole compartment for separating essentials, a quick access front zipper pocket, and even a side handle. The two webbed hand straps are detachable, and the duffel itself is designed to slide over the handle of your rolling luggage, making airport travel seamless. This bag isn't just big, it's tough. Built from 1000D waterproof polyester, it's resistant to tears, scratches, and abrasions. Every stress point has been reinforced to handle heavy loads without failure. The zippers are smooth and durable, and the overall stitching feels premium. Whether you're in the gym, at the airport, or out on an adventure, this bag is made to last. The khaki color gives it a rugged, classic look that blends in anywhere. It's unisex, stylish, and equally functional for men and women. Brozoza didn't stop at gym use. This is a true all-in-one travel companion. Use it as a weekend overnight bag, a hospital bag, a yoga tote, or your go-to carry-on. It adapts to your needs, whether it's intense workouts, short trips, or everyday errands. The flexible design means it works just as well tossed in the back of your car as it does slung over your shoulder on the go. You can carry it by hand, wear it like a backpack, or mount it on a suitcase. That's real flexibility packed into one reliable unit. To sum it up, the brozoza travel duffel bag is more than just a gym bag. It's a rugged, spacious, and cleverly designed multi-purpose bag that offers serious value. If you're looking for performance, practicality, and affordability in one package, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. Catch you in the next one.